Oreanna, you and your company have actually just gone through, well, as of I think last year, right? You went through a pre-IND meeting with the agency, and I'm just curious to get your perspective on how that experience went for you, right? What were there any surprises in terms of your interactions with the agency, about and did it kind of give you a better sense of what the current shape, if you will, of the mRNA regulatory paradigm kind of looks like today? Anything I think you'd be willing to share would be very, very appreciated.
Absolutely, yes. We're very excited about our lead candidate, NTX-250. It's a
Mhm.
multimodal mRNA therapeutic for HPV-driven tumors. So we did do that interaction with the FDA, and it goes back to wanting to interact with the agency early and getting that feedback
Mhm.
and really allowing that to further guide our process and analytical development strategies, not only
Mhm.
for NTX-250, but for other mRNA-based therapeutics in our pipeline.
Okay.
Working with the FDA, it's their goal to ensure that new products are safe and effective. So very similar to other established therapeutics and interactions, they were interested in our control of raw materials, our release
Mm.
characterization and stability testing plans, and other aspects
Okay.
of our control strategies, right? The things that I
Mhm.
would say might have perhaps differed from the
Mm.
other advanced therapies at the
Mhm.
preclinical stage was discussions about these things like codon optimization,
Mm.
wanting to know more about our DNA template plasmids, and then the discussion
Mm.
again about the novel lipid components that compose these
Yeah.
delivery systems in our final
Mhm.
products.
Yeah.
So introducing these
Mhm.
new type of modalities is a real conversation starter, I would say. So
Yeah.
there was a lot of feedback back and forth. So
Yeah.
I really like to think of it as a conversation, right? So there's things
Mhm.
that we're doing here. I don't think it was surprising at all because of the
Okay.
novelty of it.
Yeah.
But there's things that we're having to describe in more detail.
Mm.
Nutcracker has a nutshell is our terminology for our customized delivery vehicle that are have adjustable
I love
chemical
it.
structure. Yes,
Yeah.
we love to
I
keep
love
it
it.
within
Clever.
the
It's
theme.
clever. Yeah.
That it's us. But yeah, having that nutshell that
Mhm.
has more uniform nanoparticle sizes,
Mm. Yeah.
low toxicity and immunogenicity, we have to explain like how do we manufacture this? How is it synthesized, and what can they expect,
Mhm.
right? So I think
Yeah.
that having those discussions early have really provided us
Mhm.
opportunity to continue developing in the right direction. So we're excited about
Yeah.
that, and we're looking forward to
Yeah.
it.